Yo, first order of the day. We've got a McDonald's. This one is $10 going about 6.5 miles.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks. Man, that place is busy this morning. There were 3 cars in the drive-thru when I left and 3 delivery drivers picking up at the same time, including me. Usually I'm the only one there. We are also doing earn by time today. Current rate is the usual, $17 an hour. And our first order is going to be a McDonald's going just under 7 miles.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the McDonald's app today? There you go.
Thank you. Morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too.
Very nice. Got smoke in my face and no tip. The double disrespect. Total for that was $6. Got the next order a couple minutes later. We are going back to McDonald's. This one is going 4 miles.
Doordash.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Total for that order was $7. Okay, a lot better than the previous order. Next up, we've got a Krispy Kreme. This one is going 5.5 miles.
Good morning.
Morning.
Are you doing like video, like time-lapse video of the day in the life of the driver?
Pretty much, yeah.
Very good.
Thank you. Yep, you too. Oh, don't forget that money out there. Someone might grab that.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. It was someone's coffee this morning and I just keep letting it just sit there.
Okay, they gave me an add-on order as I was walking out of there. This is Burger King going an extra mile.
Thank you for choosing Burger King with your promo walk. I started for you today. All right, buddy, it's all in there for you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Bringing this up because I've been staring at that Panda Express for the past 5 minutes, but if you ever wonder why I go to the same restaurants over and over and over again, it's because many restaurants don't actually open until like 10 in the morning, which I'm usually in bed taking my first nap of the day by then. Not really, but I wish. One of them being Panda. A few more would be like Popeyes, Chipotle, Noodles and Company, KFC. Total for that order was $13 and no tip on the Krispy Kreme. That is amazing. So it's a good thing we got that add-on order. And we just got the next order. This one is IHOP going 7 miles. Lots of pretty high mileage already. Ooh, that's a 50-cent tip. Total for that was $8. And we got the next order right away. This is McDonald's going 3 miles. Ooh, that was a very good order. Total for that was $10. And we got the next order right away. This is a stack going to the same person. We've got Muchas Gracias and Panera. This is going 6 miles.
That's the break. Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
All right, man, have a good one.
You too. Well, I was worried about this. There's like barely any signal over here. So it did let me complete the first order, but I lost all connection after that. So even though I dropped off both of them at the same time, I can't really tell DoorDash that. And total for that was $16. Ooh, very nice. Thank you, thank you. Been a little bit since that last order, but we finally got something. Looks like we've got a stacked Seize the Bagel. This is going, ooh, 9 miles.
Videos of your dash or whatever.
Pretty much, yeah.
Subscribers always help.
Appreciate it.
Megan.
Sorry about the wait, guys.
They were pretty busy inside, so I'll let it slide. But we finally got the orders and +1 sub, so shout out to that guy. Thank you. Total for those ended up being just under $18. Was that worth it? Not really, but that's only because I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere. Yeesh. They just tried to give me a stack going 23 miles. Like, what? I'm not the crazy one here. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is going 4.5 miles. Total for that order was $8. Meh, not bad. Well, it's been about 20 minutes since that last drop off, and at the end of it, we were almost 1 full hour ahead of pace. I probably should have just called it then, but we finally got an order that I'm probably gonna regret even taking. This is a Taco Bell going 2 miles.
Have a good day.
You too. This would be on the top floor. Oh yeah, definitely regretting just not going home. No tip on that. Total ended up being $5 and change. And now they're trying to send me 16 miles away. Nope. I guess that means we're just calling it. Current time is 9:49. Total, we ended up with 104. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.